The Spokane Fire Department wants to get 2,500 firefighters and other emergency personnel vaccinated as quickly as possible. 4 News Now is your vaccine headquarters. And we begin tonight with Alex Crescenti, who was over at the Fire Training Center earlier today.
That's right, Aaron. They're actually trying to increase that number of people getting vaccinated per day within the next week to between 200 and 300 people per day. And actually, when they opened up the reservation system to get the vaccine, they actually filled up the first 2 days within minutes. Over the past 9 months, first responders have had to wear everything from face masks to entire protective suits to keep them safe from the virus. And while they will still have to wear PPE out on calls, this vaccine comes as a relief.
We all have to go back to our families, and we need to be safe for our families. So we have to trust that we're wearing what we're wearing to be safe.
The vaccine is not required for these first responders in the area, but Spokane Fire wants to be very aggressive in getting them out so they can get to the community as a whole sooner.
Hopefully, once the community gets involved and starts being able to get vaccinated, we hope to be somewhere right around midsummer. That's the goal.
There were a handful of medical officers that administered the vaccine to each other last week. The hope was to monitor for allergic reactions.
There was a mild little pain in my left shoulder, but that dissipated after a while.
I basically had a sore arm right at the injection site. I felt maybe a little tired the next day, but nothing that slowed me down. And after about the 3rd day, I felt fine.
Firefighters want you to know this is one of the easier things to do to help end the pandemic.
I think this is probably one of the simplest things you could do to help prevent the spread. And boy, if everybody did it, we'd be set.
The vaccine that these first responders are receiving is the Moderna vaccine, and it's going to be between 28 and 35 days between the first and second dose of the vaccine there. And they're actually receiving those doses from the Spokane Regional Health District, and they're actually received 2,000 doses this week, and they'll be receiving 2,000 more next week. Reporting live in Spokane, Alex Crescenti, 4 News Now.